about the ongoing COVID-19 crisis and how to, revitalize Sri Lankan economy. Because at least now Sri Lanka must have Sri Lankan economic knowledge and a Sri Lankan economist approach and not US American economists to intervene in our country's national economy. The most important thing now to revitalize the economy is to place stronger emphasis on the social protection systems, right? And to move at least now to the vulnerable groups, right? Vulnerable groups in the society who needs help, and also like to adopt certain reforms. Say, for example, we know that the COVID 19 impact on the world economy had been tremendous. The US Trade Department, the Commerce Department's so called, the fake false globalization policy completely, proved to be wrong, and it was defeated because US presidents said in 2013-14 period, it admitted the failure of the globalization policy where it extended the US multinational companies reach throughout the world, and US multinationals, started opening companies around the world, passing all the profits in US dollars to US economy. And thereafter, while US thriving on this, it had to borrow, loans from China, huge amount of sovereign debt obtained by US government, US treasury from the China. And then when it was on a debt trap, it says there is a world trade war now. Now, the trade war is a war. War means a war, no? In economics or in physical normal war, killing wars, it's a war. So, US kept on telling it's a trade war, not knowing what to do. It started the globalization to spread the American interest throughout the world, and then it had to borrow from China. Then it got trapped, and then it said there's a trade war. Then it did not know what to do. The US economies didn't know at that point what to do, and they started, blaming China for a trade war. So war was in a, that sense. Now the war had been, carried out, and according to the US Trade Department, US Commerce Department suffered because now no globalization. The world economy has gone down, and American globalization policy of extending multinational companies of US origin throughout the world, because I have tweeted many times saying why only American, European, Japanese companies are spreading around the world. Why not other countries' companies under so-called US government's, globalization? So accordingly, to make a balance, the US Trade and Commerce Department was defeated. The deglobalization policy ended now, no? Okay, now the thing is, in order to overcome the, the present economic crisis in Sri Lanka, Sri Lanka has to, go through a bit, not based on this US, globalization policy which was defeated, or US the globalization policy ensured the US government itself borrowing from China. We also had to do the same thing, so that was a failure. So also now international sovereign debt restructuring is a program to support the lender and not the borrower, because when borrowing and lending, it's a win-win agreement that the both countries agree upon. So international debt restructuring is only to support the lender and not the borrower at all. So that is rejected. So I think now what Sri Lanka must do is, in order to revitalize the economy by not following this US foreign, luxurious lifestyle, Lamborghini, Mercedes, BMW type, having huge houses like mansions and enjoying, while the most of the Americans are now ending up on the streets in America. Not that economy is not for us. I think Sri Lanka must go for a scheme to support the vulnerable households and vulnerable businesses first. Like, that means as part of the economic recovery, and what Sri Lanka must do is providing, according to the Gautama Buddha's teachings on economics, provide financial assistance to the, the poorest of the population first, because Dr. Harsha De Silva, like sort of a threatened voice, says if Sri Lanka doesn't go for a IMF program and restructure the international loans, there will be social unrest in the country. That means that there can be like violence, criminal activities. So obviously those threatened tone activities happen from the poorest of the poor. No? That is why, according to Gautama Buddha's economic teachings, at this moment Sri Lanka must, at least now after independence, without going behind these countries, what we must do is, especially the poorest of the poor, who lack savings and support networks. They don't have savings, they don't have, as I highlighted many times, support networks. So there has to be like a scheme to support them, financial assistance to them first, because that will, or anywhere, will stop any social unrest. Since any social unrest like criminal activities can only sprout from them. So that is very important. That's why Sri Lanka must put up a stronger social protection system, to protect the people now. And like a more cost effective and way, right, to improve the each and every household's welfare. Right, I have suggested this in 2010 as well on my YouTube. That is, each and household must be listed, and their household's welfare is very important during the economic recovery period in the country. And not going for dollars and going for sports utility SUVs. Now you look into the each and every household's welfare, and like this will ensure minimum level of protection to all in need. Everyone in need will be supported accordingly, right? Because there are higher upper income groups, there are like middle income groups, there are low income groups. So upper, middle, upper, lower, and middle, upper, middle, lower, and lower, upper, lower, middle, lower income groups. Accordingly, there are 9 income groups. So first we have to support those who are in need, not those in upper levels, or even sometimes middle upper or middle. Is mostly the middle lower upper, lower middle, lower income groups who need support. And some incentive scheme and to help them, and then this is very important in order to upgrade the people's income, for the lower middle, lower upper, and middle, lower middle, even middle, and not for middle upper or upper lower, upper middle, upper income groups. This is very important to revitalize our economy.